Hello and welcome back for my last adventure in Vietnam. After 3 weeks exploring the country, I'm taking you to the heart of the Mekong Delta, Ben Tre. I'm Amy, and today we're diving into local crafts. From traditional mat weaving to the famous coconut candy making, we are going to see it all. Let's get started. Enjoy! I've arrived at the airport. Maybe, what time is it? Yeah, maybe 50 minutes ago. And now I have to go take the bus to the Western Station. I arrived at like the Western Station of Ho Chi Minh, and it was crazy. But I made it. I'm in the bus, and there was like no sitting bus, so I have like a sleeping one. It's me again. I'm in a minibus now. So this is the thing that is quite good with the bus companies in Vietnam. It's like you arrive in the city and then there's a minibus that brings you to your hotel if the big bus cannot. Okay guys, I've just reached my hotel and it was quite fun coming here because it was like a lot of tiny little streets and it's not even, you cannot even call that street, I guess. Let me wear that. Yeah, you cannot even call that streets. We're like, so I was in the minivan, like you saw, and then it stopped somewhere, and there was just this lady outside, and she's the owner, I guess, of the building, and she drove me here on the scooter. I love it here. It's a bit like, some people will say it looks old and all of that, and the bathroom and toilet are outside of the room. So yeah, we'll have to go out to take a shower and all, but other than that, this is perfect. I'm really happy I'm here. Because as we were going into the alleys, I was like, this is so calm. I love it here. Cheers. I'm going to go eat now. Je mange avec de la compagnie ce soir. Salut. Il y a une petite grenouille juste là. Hello everyone, this is morning and I booked a tour. Like I said, it's like a biking tour and we're going to go around to see several stops during the day, so it looks like it's going to be fun. Okay, I'm on the boat. I am the only person here. There's a lot of little boats on the side too. Looks like nut candy. It's really nice. So until now, everything I was doing was quite touristy. This is the contrary of that. There is a lot of sun, and I saw that there was like the traditional Vietnamese hats, so I asked him for one, and it feels so good. It's also protecting my shoulder. Look at that. Look at this place. We are on the way back now. I think the boat tour lasted something 1 hour, so it was really, really nice. Are we here? So it's the place where they make mats here. Looks like there's a whole technique. So you have to roll the thing. And then the wooden thing in the middle is separating the thread, and so it's threaded inside. Oh, it's so interesting. She's trying to make me do, but I'm so bad at it. My little coconut here. There's all the people, French people trying to open a coconut, but apparently it's not as easy as they make it seem. I just arrived at the coconut factory, not the coconut candy factory. As I mentioned, we are at a local coconut candy workshop. Ben Tre isn't called the land of coconut for nothing. Let me show you how it's done. First, they husk the coconuts by impaling them on a sharp metal stake. It looks so easy when they do it. And the remnant with his hands. They split them in half, and while I'm not sure where the water usually goes, they were kind enough to offer me a drink. Wow, thank you. I'm drinking a lot of coconut water. Oh, it's really nice. Next, the flesh is grated into fine flakes. I'm just eating on this trip. They even let me try some French candy dipped straight into the coconut shavings. It was so good. So good. The milk and cream are then pressed out, mixed with sugar and syrup, and then slow cooked over fire fueled by, yes, all coconut shells. Once the caramel is thick and perfect, it's cooled in molds and sliced into bite-sized pieces. The final touch? Every single candy is hand-wrapped. First in a thin layer of edible rice paper, then in its colorful wrapper. Eh? Perfect. Good job. What are you guys drinking? Oh, I thought it was that. No. And I was like, I'm curious about the taste. That's why I asked. I'm not brave enough for that. Me too. I'm a bit scared, so I was like, maybe they're doing it. Cacao. Thank you. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm drinking it so early. I don't usually drink alcohol. This is an experience. I think it's similar to what I ate on the boat. They just gave me so much stuff to eat. Okay, lesson learned. Maybe always check the mic, since I managed to film this whole part in total silence. Let me talk you through the steps to make the great, the magnificent chocolate. Most of you will recognize the cacao pod. Inside are the beans. The lady at the hotel had me try one, and let's just say it's not great to me. To get the chocolate we know, the beans are roasted and husked, then ground into a super fine powder. Finally, cocoa butter and the chosen amount of sugar are added to get the perfect sweetness. The hotel lady was on a mission to make me try everything so I would buy from every shop. Good technique! It worked! It worked on me. Give me food and you're my best friend. And I mean, the chocolate was great anyway, so... I cannot eat anymore, I'm so full. I need help. My stomach is about to explode. This is officially the end of the tour and we're going back home. It was really fun. As decided yesterday, I'm riding a bike today. It's so hot though, and I thought the road I would take would have more trees than that, but there's not that much, so I just stopped on no tree now. I'm drinking quite a lot because the temperature is really, really hot. Whew. This is like this kind of bikes. So yeah, not too bad. I just arrived at the place I wanted to reach, so I'm happy. Well, just arrived 10 minutes ago, yeah. It's It's a bit in the middle of nowhere, I'm not going to lie. I took some ice cream and I also ordered like some orange juice to give me a bit more strength. On my way here, I think at least 10 people said hello to me. It's so cute. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Kit.
Ah, Amy.
Amy.
Mm.
My name is Champun.
Champun. Mm.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Kids are so cute here. I don't even know how much I biked to come here. It's actually 9 kilometers. I just biked 9 kilometers. Hmm. I thought it was way less than that. Look at that. Look at that baby. Hey, he's sleeping so well. I went out of this cafe restaurant place. I'm right next to it. And there's this place there that looks really pretty. So I kind of want to go there, but I don't know if I can. Well, first let me try to go there and we'll see. I'm not too sure I'm going, to be honest. It's like this tiny road going inside the coconut. No, it's not coconut tree. Is it coconut tree? Yeah, I think it is. It feels weird. I'm the only one here. I feel like I'm trespassing somewhere. This road is for sure better than the one I was on to come here. Oh, it's nice to listen to the locals about roads. This one is so much better because it's under the trees. Oh my gosh, so I found a place where I'm going to eat, so I'm going there now. I ended up eating a blueberry smoothie in this cafe with fishes that you can feed. An interesting experience, I guess. Well, after that, it was officially time to leave. I'm in the plane, guys. This is the way back to Busan.